Hi, I'm the BossProblemBuster, founder of the Pay Raise Commando, a senior organizational consultant of 24 years, having worked across cultures, industries, and ranks with 7,250 employees trained between us, my team and I. I'm also a social psychologist with a master's and a bachelor's degrees, both with honors. My team and I train passed over corporate professionals like you to get that pay raise and promotion you're overdue for, so that you can finally kill your Monday blues before you sink further and bring your inner joy back, which is the best part of my job and the goal of this channel. Kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back. Now, back to the salt mines. Ladies and gentlemen, schmoopies and ex-schmoopies, apropos our previous video, today is the day you have long been waiting for. I hereby declare the launching of the Big Fix. The Big Fix is the second part of this deck, in which we go over each and every Office Romance boss problem we've covered and reverse engineer your way out of that specific predicament so that you can restore your eligibility for that promotion and or pay raise you so want, which took a serious hit once you embarked on your Office Romance. TLDR, don't shit where you eat. But if you can't help it, and you won't be able to, because biology, if you're attracted, you're attracted. If you're in love, you're in love, especially if both of you are single. So if you can't help it, at least use this Sex and the Workplace deck to make it less of a mess to everybody involved, you and Schmoopy first and foremost, thus salvaging your chances for getting that promotion and or pay raise you so want, and while you're at it, maybe even save the relationship itself. So let's get right to it. We'll launch the Big Fix with, surprisingly, the last boss problem, the bonus one. Not because the last one is potentially freshest in your mind, but because the fixes we offer you there should be your starting point to all the other fixes, and you should start implementing them the moment you realize the coworker you're attracted to, or even falling in love with, is indeed attracted to you back. Thus, an Office Romance may be in the cards. That bonus Office Romance boss problem number 8 was, what happens when it ends? We have seen how even when it ends, your eligibility for that promotion and or pay raise is still very much at risk, and why one of you may even have to leave. Watch here if you'd like a reminder. The fixes here consist of 3 steps you should do, or at least consider. 1. Tread very mildly. Approach one another, romantically speaking, very slowly. The prices both of you are going to pay are potentially so high, with your careers at stake, as we have shown, that you need to be sure the benefits of the Office Romance are worth it. The benefits pun, originally unintended, but on second thought, very much intended. Please note, this is not a moral consideration, but a pragmatic one. It is none of my business what 2 consenting adults do. It is my expertise, however, to show you the ramifications of what you do on your pay raise and promotions. So I will just lay it all before you, and you make your own choices. The second fix to the bonus number 8, what happens when it ends, or if it ends, is be honest with yourself. Is it lust or love? They are very easily conflated, especially at the beginning, potentially more so by women than men. And it's tricky because how would you know if you don't act on it? So, putting on my Dear Abby hat again, here are a few pointers and cues for both men and women to help you sort your feelings out and distinguish between the two. Are you fantasizing about your coworker only in terms of hooking up with them? Or are you also fantasizing about spending time with them, doing whatever, you don't even care as long as you get to spend time with them? Are you only attracted to the physical features in your coworker? Or are you also attracted to the way they think, their sense of humor, the way they carry themselves around the office, and the way they socialize, all of which reveal aspects of their inner world and personality? Are you interested and curious to find out what they think of certain things? Would you love to consult with them before making even mundane decisions? Do you want to know about their family, their friends, their childhood, their likes and dislikes in movies and food and pastime? The more you choose the latter in each of these considerations, the more the chance it is love and not just lust. In that case, you probably wouldn't want to give up on a chance for true love without even trying. So I bid you all the very best, and all I advise you is to double and triple watch this entire deck to make sure you're doing everything right, preferably together with Schmoopy once you're close and open enough with one another. You can also read it if you prefer that format. A link to the full transcript is in the description below. Please note that this exercise requires deep introspection and some time, reinforcing the first fix about the need to take everything very slowly. If you'd like the full transcript of this video and all the videos on this channel, see the link in the description. It's on our website, BossProblemBuster.com, because it's too long to paste here, so not a trick to get you there. But if you do hop over, you'll find many practical reads and a forum where you can discreetly and anonymously ask us anything in regards to landing that promotion and pay raise, to which we reply very quickly. Each video drops inconvenient truth bombs on you right, left, and center, all very direct, pragmatic, and very much non-PC. No fluff, no bullshit. So, if you'd like to get a promotion with a pay raise, or a pay raise independent of a promotion, kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back, and if you can handle the truth, you can't handle the truth. I'm channeling Jack Nicholson. Then subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so that we can meet again. And until then, go back to work. You know I can't help you get that promotion and pay raise if you don't actually do the job.